Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with essentials: a Google account, a published or draft app identifier, and a working build. Once those are ready, sign into Admob and create your Admob account. This links payment and tax details so earnings route correctly. Then add a new app in Admob by selecting Android or iOS and entering the package name or bundle ID. This registers the app for ad serving. Make sure to note the ad unit ID that Admob generates for later integration. Next, you integrate the Google Mobile Ads SDK into your project so ads can load. For Android, add the Gradle dependency. For iOS, use CocoaPods or frameworks. Once done, put the Admob app ID into Android Manifest or Info. List and initialize the SDK on App Start. This ensures ad requests authenticate. Then wire the specific ad unit ID, banner, interstitial, rewarded into your layouts and loading code. Testing with test, ads first, so you avoid invalid. Finally, you must test and publish. Always use test ads and add your device as a test device so you don't violate policies. Once verified, release the app update with real Admob ID and monitor the dashboard for impressions and revenue. This shows whether demand and fill are healthy. If ads do not appear, check the app ID and ad unit ID, confirm SDK initialization timing, verify network permissions, and allow some time for inventory. Often a configuration typo or propagation delay is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.